You're welcome to today's class. I've not posted for some days now, but let me do this. The question says the dimensions of momentum are, we have option A, we have B, we have C, and we have D. Which of these options represents the dimension of momentum? First, before we go into that, we want to explain what momentum is. What is momentum? Momentum mathematically simply means the product of the mass of a body multiplied by the velocity or change in velocity. Let's say change in V. Okay, so this is mass and this is velocity or change in velocity. So what is velocity? This is mass is represented by letter M. Velocity is simply the distance traveled over the time taken or displacement per time. Okay, now the displacement is given as letter L for dimension. So we have M multiplied by L over T. But this T can be written as 1 over T. So I'll be having that M multiplied by L multiplied by 1 over T. 1 over T in indices is T to the power of minus 1. So your momentum, which is MOM, will be the mass M multiplied by the length, which is L. Then this 1 over T can be written as T to the power of minus 1. And that will be T to the power of minus 1. So if you look at this closely, you see that the first option is not correct. The second option is not correct. The third option is correct. MLT to the power of minus 1. So this is wrong. So this is complete or the correct definition of momentum when it comes to its dimension. I hope this video was helpful. Please follow our page and we'll do more of this.